Good afternoon everyone. Today we're looking at the Timex Expedition Rugged Core watch. Sorry if I sound a little bit weird, it's because I've just been ill, so I've still got like germs and stuff up my nose, grim, too much information, all that stuff. So yeah, let's get right on to it, shall we? So another Timex unboxing, again very simple style box with a nice lift off lid fashion. Usually the box comes with a little cardboard cover, but I just had to remove that just for the sake of the video because I couldn't remove it with the white gloves on. Not about damaging it. So here we go guys, this is the Timex Expedition Rugged Core. I've done a video of the other Timex Expedition watches as well. I think I've only done one. Yeah, I have done one. Have a look at that on my channel if you get a chance. So just a little bit about this watch before we move on to the dial and that sort of stuff. Case diameter 43mm with a case thickness of 11.5mm. It's not a very big watch. Watch it only retails around about £40, operates on a quartz movement and weighs 45 grams. So it's not too bad in terms of weight and in terms of price. Only a very light watch that has a bit of a sort of a Luminox inspiration to it. So let's have a look at the face. So having a look at the face here, we've got a plain black style backplate there with a full Indiglo style feature which offers a luminous effect to the backplate of the face, so you can see it at night, as you can see from down here. The increments of the numbers themselves are fully luminous with a bit of an odd system. Usually you have either increments and dashes, but this one has them alternating, so you've got 12, dash, 2, then increment, 4, etc. So we've got date dial as well, sitting down here in place of the 3-digit, and a nice red hand just to add a bit of contrast as well. You may notice on every 2 hours you've got little red dashes as well just above those increments, just to add a little bit of detail to the face. Look at the bezel and the casing. You've got a full resin casing to match a full resin strap, as it says down here. The bezel itself is a fixed bezel despite looking like a submariner bezel. Overall, very nice, very stylish watch with a nice little engraving there as well on that strap. Looking at the crown. Crown is a extremely matte finish style stainless steel crown. I don't know if I can move those hands. Yes, I can. The hands themselves have a nice movement to it. The crown is a nice strong one, so it's a decent movement to the crown. It's not too flimsy. Now I would go and show you the back, but I can't actually get to that without cutting this off. And how I operate is I have to return watches in a new condition, so I have to unbox them and box them back up exactly the same way. But I can tell you the clasp for this one will be a stainless steel style finish with a simple leather strap, well, a resin strap, sorry. Resin strap itself is a 20mm band, so if you wanted to change that, you'll need a 20mm band to fit in there. Offers a 50m water resistance as well, that is also stated down here. So there we go guys, that is the Timex Expedition Rugged Core 43mm.